Do you like Rice Krispies Cereal? What about a Rice Krispie Treat? Well, both of those are yummy, but I'm a cookie girl. So that means I have to take this and turn it into a cookie. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do that. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today I'm really excited to share with you my Rice Krispies Cookie Recipe. Now, in order to make these tasty treats, you will need the following ingredients. 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of marshmallows, and 2 cups of Rice Krispies. To combine all of my ingredients, I'll be using my stand mixer fixed with my paddle attachment, a large bowl, a whisk, and my spatula. Now, I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees. We're going to start by adding our butter to our bowl. And let's mix it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my granulated sugar to my butter. And I'm going to go ahead and cream the two together. Let's mix it up. The light brown sugar is going in next. Let's mix it up. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And don't forget the bottom. And let's mix it up. Now it's time for a little flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract now. Now for the eggs. I always crack it into a separate bowl. That way, if it's a bad egg or my shell falls in, it doesn't mess up my cookie dough. Go ahead and add that 1 egg to your cookie dough. And we're going to mix it up. Now for our egg yolk. I'm going to go ahead and crack our egg open. Going to let the egg white fall into the bowl. And then we're going to move the egg yolk back and forth in the shell. Once we have just the egg yolk, then I'm going to take the egg yolk only and place it into my other bowl. Time to just put the egg yolk into my cookie dough. Let's mix it up. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl again. I want to make sure that all of my wet ingredients are fully incorporated together. Let's go ahead and add our salt, baking soda, and baking powder to our flour. Now taking our whisk, we're going to go ahead and mix it up by hand. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients a little bit at a time so that I won't have a giant cloud of flour. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides one final time. Now it's time to fold in our marshmallows. And now for the star of the show. The Rice Krispies will be folded in to the cookie dough. Now taking my ice cream scoop, I'm going to scoop out my cookie dough and place it onto my parchment lined baking tray. Taking my thumb, I'm going to place it on each one of my cookie dough balls. That way, when they bake in the oven, they will rise but still remain flat. Now it's time to pop my baking tray into the refrigerator for 20 minutes to chill. Now that my cookies have chilled, I'm going to let them bake in the oven for 8 minutes. Now that the cookies are out of the oven, I'm going to let them cool on my baking tray for 5 minutes. Now that my cookies have cooled down for 5 minutes, I'm ready to move them from my baking tray to my cooling rack where they'll cool down completely. Cookie challenge time! All right, so I want you to challenge me to make a cookie. So this is what you need to do. Think of your favorite cereal, or maybe not your favorite cereal, or a cereal that you think I cannot make it into a tasty treat. List that cereal down below, and I will make a cookie out of that selection. All right, hit me with your best shot. Now it's time to taste our tasty treat. Ready, Jim?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
That is good.
You like it? It is pretty good.
So
Are you yummy? Buttery?
Delicious?
Very good. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.